Angelina Joffrey, a student from the Faculty of Engineering, UNIMAS. Currently, I am in second year studying chemical engineering. For this semester, I have taken an elective subject about the introduction to hydropower system. What is a hydropower system? A hydropower system is a system which uses water to generate electrical energy to be supplied to our homes. Do you know that we can make our own hydropower system at home? So for this semester, my lecturer have given us a task on doing our own hydropower system at home. Before that, let me show to all of you how does a hydropower system looks like. So this is a hydropower system. So this is the main diagram of a hydropower system, such as the Bakun Dam in Sarawak. So for now, I will show to all of you how to make our own hydropower system at home. Stay tuned, do it yourself. What do we need to build our own hydropower system? So these are the items that we need to build our own hydropower system at home. First of all, we need straws, we need bottle, we also need a spoon, some big and small containers, hot glue gun, the glue stick, wire. This is the most important part, the motor, which will generate power for our hydropower system later. Connector with an LED, and lastly, a bulb with the bulb holder. So these are the things that we need to build our own hydropower system. So from the item and materials that I have shown, which I have bought to make my own do-it-yourself hydropower system, so this is the complete system of my hydropower system that I've made. So this is the first part of the system, and this is the middle and the end part of the system. And here it is the whole figure of a hydropower system. So this is the first part of a hydropower system. So the first part consists of a dam and also the penstock. So what is the function of a dam? A dam is actually used to store the water before it is being transferred to the system by penstock. So for my do-it-yourself hydropower system, I am using a water bottle which acts as my dam, and also the water hose which acts as my penstock. So when I turn on the water supply, so the water will move and being transferred in the penstock, and it will shoot the system. So this is the middle and the end part of a hydropower system. So the middle part consists of a turbine. So this is the turbine, and a generator, which I use a motor here, which is actually being placed in a powerhouse at the real system of a hydropower system. So here we will have the tail race, whereby the water will flow out from the system. And also for my do-it-yourself hydropower system, I'm using an LED bulb so that I can see whether my system functions well or not. When the LED bulb lights up, so means my generator generate electricity. So this is my operating hydropower system. So the water from the water supply is being transferred into the dam, which actually stores the water in a true hydropower system in real life. Then the water from the dam will be transferred into the penstock, and at the penstock the water will shoot through the middle and the end part of the hydropower system. So here, the hydropower system, which is the middle and the end part, consists of the turbine and generator. So the water will shoot the turbine here, and it will make the generator to turn in order to create electrical energy. So the generator will then light up the LED. So let us see the color of the LED that have been lighted up. So where did the water flow back? So the water will flow back into the river in a real hydropower system. So the water will flow back through the tail race in order to flow back into the river. So this is my hydropower system that I have made with the things and materials that I have bought. So with this, you can also build your own hydropower system at home. Thank you for watching.